The weddings and event industry went dark for much of the last year, but now that people are getting vaccinated and guidelines are relaxing, the pent-up demand is resulting in a big comeback for Las Vegas, the wedding capital of the world.
Everybody is ready to celebrate. They're ready to get out.
Fiancés around the world are rejoicing at the chance to finally feel comfortable setting a wedding date.
I currently am seeing a high demand in weddings.
Desiree Voidovich has always run her own wedding and event planning service, but now with 10 full-service weddings on her plate this year so far, she's expanding to add a full-time employee to her team.
And then we're going to expand more to day of and probably bring on more girls for that as well.
So why the rush in business? Starting in just a few days, Clark County's approved plan increases capacity limits from 50 to 80% at businesses like wedding venues, and couples will be able to double the number of guests at a table from 6 to 12. This, she says, will mean mega savings.
It's a big difference in cost. Thousands and thousands.
Why? Fewer tables to decorate.
Because there's less centerpieces, less linens and all that stuff.
Also on May 1st, social distancing moves to 3 feet for large gatherings under a couple safety conditions. She hopes this has an effect on venue rules for dance floors.
Especially venues that weren't allowing dancing based on the social distancing.
She's hoping the governor aligns the mask mandate with the CDC's latest update.
So that it's not in photos anymore.
One of her clients, she says, has been waiting months for this moment.
We wanted to make sure that the 13-piece band could play without wearing masks because, of course, it would be muffled and it wouldn't have the same sound effects. So now that we can have no masks for vaccinated singers and musicians and performers, it's great.
Clark County's approved plans for May also say that large gatherings will be allowed to operate at full capacity with no social distancing requirements if Clark County's eligible population initiated vaccination and attendees gave proof of a vaccine or a negative PCR test, or if 60% of the eligible population completed vaccination. Reporting live in Las Vegas, I'm Maddie White, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.